Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have a ratio question and we are going to see the ratio between football and soccer balls. The question says ratio of footballs to soccer balls at school is 4:3. If the store has 80 footballs, how many soccer balls are there? We are supposed to use bar diagram. They tell us to use the bar diagram, and our bar diagram has footballs and soccer balls, and this first bar diagram is divided into boxes depending to the ratio. So, football ratio soccer, this is equal to 4:3. So each box for the football is going to take one ball. So here we have 4 of them. So 1, 1, 1, 1. The same to the soccer balls. Each box take one ball. There are 3 of them. So I have 3 boxes. That is 1, 1, 1. We have 80 footballs. And these 80 footballs, we are supposed to present them into 4 boxes. So we are going to take 80 divided by 4. We got 20 balls. So each box is going to take 20 balls. So we are going to have 20, 20, 20, and here 20, which makes 80 balls. As we saw to the first bar diagram, the ratio gives us 1 ball for each box. So for the second bar diagram, already we have 20 to each box. So the soccer balls also, they are going to take 20 each box. So this gives us 20 to the first box, 20 to the second box, and 20 to the third box. To get the number of soccer balls, this is equal to 20 multiplied by the number of boxes, that is 1, 2, 3, multiplied by 3. We are going to get 60 soccer balls. I hope you understand how to use the bar diagram to solve ratio question. For more questions on ratios, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.